In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an emoji in Canva. Whether you're creating eye-catching designs for social media, crafting a fun presentation, or simply adding a bit of flair to your digital content, knowing how to incorporate emojis can bring a vibrant touch to your work. Let's dive into how you can easily add emojis using Canva in just a few minutes. First, launch Canva on your computer or mobile device. Once you're on the main dashboard and ready to design, look for the Elements tab located on the sidebar. Clicking on this will open up a world of design possibilities, from shapes to graphics, and of course emojis. This section is your gateway to countless design enhancements. After you've clicked on Elements, turn your attention to the search bar situated at the top of this section. Here, type the word emoji. This simple step is crucial as it narrows down the vast array of elements to just what you're interested in, emojis. As soon as you start typing, you might notice the interface suggesting popular options, but you're specifically looking for the word emoji to bring up the right set of design elements. Once you've entered your search term, you'll see a snippet of results appear. At this point, you may want to explore all the emoji options Canva has to offer. To do this, locate and click on the See All link that accompanies the emoji results. This link is your key to scrolling through the comprehensive library Canva provides, ensuring you don't miss out on any potential options or styles that might be perfect for your project. Upon viewing the full range of emojis, you'll find a diverse selection to choose from. This variety can help match the tone and style of the emoji to the nature of your design. Now comes the fun part. Browse through these options until you find one that resonates with your vision. Once you've made a choice, the next step is straightforward. Simply click and drag the emoji onto your canvas area. You can freely arrange it anywhere within your design frame, adjusting its size and position as you go. During this step, take full advantage of Canva's user-friendly interface, which allows you to move and scale elements smoothly. As you incorporate the emoji, keep in mind how it complements the rest of your design. Whether it's meant to convey emotions, highlight key information, or draw in viewers' attention, the right placement and size can make a significant impact on the overall aesthetic of your project. And that's it. You've successfully added an emoji to your Canva design, enhancing its visual appeal with just these simple steps. Feel free to explore further customization options such as color adjustments or adding additional elements to enrich your design even more. Thank you for watching, and happy designing.